The Innovation Hub at USW is a place for students to come and engage in opportunities that they may not come across within their course. There's also overlap with things that are on courses, so the students can then gain a bit more of an insight, a bit more of a practical approach to those topics.
The Innovation at USW is a place for industry to come in and actually speak with members of staff across faculty on ideas that they might have and want to develop with student sort of focus in mind. We're currently developing a number of final year projects with help from the NHS and the innovation department to enhance and really allow our students to develop in their industrial placements and skills within industry and innovating within industrial focus. The USW Innovation Hub offer a number of activities and opportunities to develop ideas. You could have a random idea, bring it to the Innovation Hub, and we can help you develop it into actual physical prototypes and try to develop it maybe in the future to a commercial product.
The Innovation Hub currently offers a few mini courses that involve things like the Arduino programming, which we start off from scratch. You might not have ever seen an Arduino before, and then within 5 weeks you're programming a robot. We also look at MATLAB skills, which go hand in hand with engineering, but often we need a little bit more support with those. We also offer flight simulator use as well, so we show students how to go through from not having seen the flight simulator all the way to putting their design in and then eventually taking part in a competition as well. Students can come along to some of the many workshops and fairs that we have running throughout the year, or they can talk to their module leaders or course leaders, or email innovationhub@southwales.ac.uk.